Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So we are from group 7. We're going to make bakwan. Before we make it, we're going to introduce ourselves first. My name is Juwita.
My name is Tiara.
My name is Nabila.
My name is Indah.
My name is Muhammad.
So we'll be watching.
Ingredients: a quarter kilogram of flour, 1 cup water, 1 carrot, 1 cabbage, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of flavoring or salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper, 1 garlic leaves optionally, and cooking oil.
First, we have to clean the carrot skin, then cut into thin pieces like this. Then cut the carrot length. Cut the cleaned cabbage, cut lengthwise, like the carrot earlier. Then put all the slices of carrot and cabbage into a big bowl and put flour into a big bowl. Next, put some water, flavoring, and pepper. Then mix it until the texture is thick. Put the egg and mix it. Cut the garlic leaves and then put it in. Heat the cooking oil in frying pan and use medium heat. Then wait until the oil is hot. Put the bakwan dough slowly into the frying pan from the side and then into the oil. Fry it until it's slightly brown in color. Then drain and serve.